All right, yo, 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 show him the big fat chain. Look at that. No, we're gonna take it off, but well, he's not gonna really wear it. This is really my chain. Now he's, okay, I'm gonna let you take it off. So yeah, all right. It's heavy, you can hear it.
Here.
It's heavy, too heavy for my neck right now. I'm not gonna wear that. But that's it. It's the big heavy chain. I like the little rooms. They got the fold. This is actually a bed. This is actually a fold out bed. This folds down. Let's see if you can see the little bend there where it folds. The joint there where it folds at, and it's pretty neat. It's a bed just the size of this one. We got all our stuff all over the bed now. You can still see the size of the bed. It's a queen size bed. And it's a good true queen size bed. We'll see you shortly.
Stay tuned. Hey everyone, we're about to go to Hollywood Studios.
We're getting ready. We're dressed now. I am dressed in my Vader mask, and this is my hat that my lovely wife and
My dad gave me a dog.
my kids got me for, which was this one for my birthday? My birthday. It's a Star Wars, what's the name of it? That's the Han Solo hat, I believe.
And we got a matching one at the other hotel, and it's a Han Solo wristband. And I found it under the bed.
And
Going to Hollywood Studios.
going to Hollywood Studios, and we'll be back at you when we get through with that.
Peace.
All right, here we go. We're leaving the resort. This is outside the resort here at the Pop Century Resort. We're going on. Here's the parking lot. We finally got a close spot here where our room is just right up here, and we park right here because before it was like a nature trail to get to the car. So and we don't walk so well anymore, me or my wife, so it was just too far, especially on my wife. And now we're back at the car. We're about to go to Disney, over to Hollywood Studios, and try to get a boarding pass for Rise of the Resistance. If we don't, we're gonna ride Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. We've never ridden that yet because the opening day for that ride was like just days after we were here last time. So we missed it last time, so we're gonna catch it this time, and maybe you guys can join us.
Here we go. Woo-hoo! Looking at some graham crackers.
First, it's gonna jerk us all around here until we get with the program on the GPS, but we'll get here in a second. We got to stop here because it's a stop sign.
Stop sign.
You're supposed to say 1, 2, buckle my shoe in your brain. If you say 1, 2, buckle my shoe, then you can pull off. And now, somehow, it's taking us.
There goes the Skyliner.
It's taking us this way. Yeah, there's a Skyliner. You get
There's the
that?
monorail. I mean, not the monorail,
And
but
this is the animation resort. What's the name?
Art of Animation.
Art of Animation. That's it.
Don't think it's open.
Yeah, I don't think it's open right now due to the pandemic. They've closed several of the resorts, unfortunately, because of the pandemic.
yeah, it's sad.
So we're on the way, and that'll
See
be.
you there, guys.
We'll see you there. We're here, guys. We're here inside. This is Hollywood Studio. We're right here at the front. This is the main entrance here. I'm sure everybody knows that, but if you don't, and this is the front. And right in here, this is where, if you need a wheelchair, it's right here. As soon as you come in, the entrance, it'll be right off to your right here. And this is Oscar's. This is where you would stop to get your wheelchair. And it's pretty neat. But this is where you would come to get the stroller and the wheelchair. If you... We're going down the road, and we're gonna see what we can see. I don't know what we're gonna see, but we're gonna see something. Huh?
You hear loud music. That means a Millennium Falcon?
Oh yeah, we'll get to ride that.
Okay, ride it now.
No, we can't ride it now, but we'll ride it 4 days out. We're gonna ride the Millennium Falcon, and we're gonna ride, as you can see down the street here, as I'm turning you around here, the Mickey and Minnie's down the street. It's Runaway Railway. Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. You can hear the music in the background.
It's been a year since we've been here, so I'm really excited.
Yes, it has been a year since we've been here, and Isaac is really excited, he said. And I think we're all excited. And we're gonna probably get us some coffee here in a second. We'll be back with you here in just a second. All right, since we are newbies at this, we forgot. My wife was jonesing for a coffee. Christy was wanting the coffee. And that is the, what is that one?
The pumpkin.
The pumpkin what?
Cold brew.
A pumpkin spice what?
Cold brew.
Cold brew, is that it? That's what it's called. Pumpkin spice cold brew. She liked it. I got the Frappuccino vanilla.
I would take it.
I got, and Mandy has drank most of it already now. So here, just hold on to it. Or here, you can.
Or I'll take the GoPro.
I've already had some of it myself. It was the frozen Frappuccino from over here at the trolley car.
Starbucks, basically.
Yeah, Starbucks is there at the trolley car, though. We have to be correct about where it's at. And I probably look like a Wookiee now, but I've taken off my Darth Vader master. And now I'm getting a little bit of the whipped cream in it at the bottom. Sometimes I mix it up ahead of time and drink it. Other times I let the whipped cream just sink to the bottom, and then that's what I did this time, and it's pretty good. And of course, Starbucks is always good here at Disney. Every time we've had it, they've been disappointed. So there you go. And we're going to Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, which is right straight ahead here in a little bit. And we're going to get on the ride, and we're going to show you once we get on there. Here it is. We're coming up on it.
It's so close, guys.
The Runaway Railway.
Stay tuned. We're about to run the ride. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned, he says. All right.
Go ahead and scan over
Oh, we're gonna scan up here. Here we go. All right, we're here at Disney's Runaway Railway. Here we are. See there, look, it says the Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. There is a... Oh, on this side of you, buddy. Look out, son. Oh, sorry. Sorry. All right. Huh? Now, what do you think about it, Isaac?
I think it's gonna be pretty cool.
What do you think, Mandy? Look at it. Mandy's so cute with her Minnie ears. She's got her Minnie mask, matching mask. Mom was just doing the black mask today, and I have on my Darth Vader mask.
Star Wars hat, shirt.
And this is my son. Isaac can never stop dancing. He just cannot stop moving.
All
Do Darth Vader. That's a good. That was a pretty good impression. We're going on in. Thank you. Going on in. The Runaway Railway. Oh, there we go. Look at this. Just keep going in. We're going into the cartoon. Here it is. Here it is. We're going into the cartoon. Woo! All right. There we go. And they have nice dividers for the social distancing. They do have the markers on the floor every 6 feet. And then they have the announcements, of course.
Hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your train cars. And be sure to keep an eye on your little railroad riders. Okay? Thanks.
My friend Saka will take care of you.
All righty. They're going to take care of us here. And we're going the back entrance on the back side to make it a little more easier to transfer. And we appreciate that very much. So thank you. All righty, here we go. We're getting on. Can we get here? I'll get up here with Mandy. Oh, here we go. We're getting on in.
Where are we going? I can't see the track. Oh, this is scary.
I don't know. See, we're coming back in, but we haven't rode yet, but we're gonna ride. See? We're at the back of the train. And there's everybody. Here we go. Are you excited? Look at this. It's so neat. All this. See, this is what Disney does so well. All the little details they do to me. That's what I always love about it. All the little details. Bye. Bye bye. Here we go. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I mean, it looks like we are in the cartoon. There they are. Look, there they go. Look, there's Goofy. Look, up there. This is, wow, look at that. Oh, it's getting really windy in here. I mean, you can really feel the breeze. Look at my beard, it's blowing all over the place. Oh my gosh. Woo. Hey, hold on. Hold on, Isaac, hold on. Let me tell you, again. Disney's done it again, y'all. They always take it to the next level. I mean, they really do. They really do. Disney always takes it to the next level. Wow. All you other theme parks, y'all better step it up. Disney stepped it up. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh, it's shaking the whole building. Look, there's Donald. There's Donald. Oh, here's Daisy.
Everyone to your positions.
Okay,
Ready?
Daisy. Here we go.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 1.
Excellent.
Oh my
You're all
gosh. 1,
waltzing
2,
so
3, 1, 2, 3.
beautifully together.
Yay.
Oh.
Whoa.
Oh.
Dance, lean this way.
Now,
Lean.
let's conga.
Hey. Hey. Hey, where are we going? Woo. Hey, hold on. Oh my gosh. Mandy, what is going on here? What's going on? I don't know. I don't know. There's Minnie. There's Minnie. Oh no, Mickey. Oh, there they are. There's Minnie. Where's Mickey? Where are you going? Oh, there it is. Oh my God. Oh, we're back. They rolled the tracks out. Did you see that? They rolled the tracks back out. All right, we're back on course. We are back on course.
Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
There's Goose. Sure, Goose. All right, yeah. There. Oh, there they are. Hey, Mickey. Hey, Minnie. Woo! Boy, that was a fun ride. Pluto's even there. Isaac, what do you think? You gave it a thumbs up. What do you think, Christy? Thumbs up. What do you think, Mandy? Thumbs up. And I'm going to give it a thumbs up, too. Give it a thumbs up. Here's the fireworks. Wow. This was really neat. Look up there. Oh, what the heck is going on with the bird? What's he doing? What's he? Oh, there was a hidden Mickey. I just saw it in the fireworks. There's a, oh, wait a minute. I felt my butt. He shocked us then. Goofy pulled some kind of lever and shocked us. Well, that was awesome.